Japan is building a new fleet of 12 next-generation offshore patrol vessels, OPVs, for the Japan Maritime Self-Defense Force, JMSDF. These OPVs are designed to enhance maritime security, particularly in areas like the southwestern Ryukyu Islands and the disputed Senkaku, Diaoyu Islands. The OPVs are being built by Japan Marine United, JMU, at a very high pace. The first and second vessels are scheduled to be launched in November this year, with the third and fourth vessels being scheduled to be launched in March 2026. All four vessels will be commissioned in March 2027. Based on the nation's defense build-up program formulated in December 2022, the MOD plans to acquire 12 patrol vessels over about 10 years. It allocated 35.7 billion yen, $250 million, for fiscal year 2023 to build the first four vessels, meaning the construction cost per vessel is about 9 billion yen. The new ships will measure about 95 meters long and 12 meters wide, and have a standard displacement of about 1,920 tons and a maximum speed of 20 knots, 23 miles per hour. Each OPV features a combined diesel-electric and diesel (CODLAD) propulsion configuration, in which an electric motor and a diesel engine act on a single propeller. Each vessel will be armed with a 30 mm gun. The Ministry's Acquisition, Technology, and Logistics Agency, ATLA, has stressed that the OPVs will be based on a modular system enabling customization and will have strong surveillance capabilities through automation, adaptability, modularity, and sustainability. The MOD has said those patrol vessels will specialize in warning and surveillance and can be operated with minimal personnel. In response to a manpower shortage at the JMSDF, the OPV will only need a crew of about 30, far fewer personnel than the Mogami-class multi-role frigates, also known as FFM, which also have only a crew of 90. The program aims to provide enhanced maritime security, particularly in areas around the southwestern Ryukyu Islands and the disputed Senkaku, Diaoyu Islands. The OPVs will increase the JMSDF's patrol activities in the region. The construction of the OPVs is partly in response to increased activity by Russian and Chinese military and Coast Guard vessels in the region. In the fiscal 2025 budget, the MOD allocated 4 billion yen to acquire 6 V-BAT ship-based unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, from U.S. aerospace and defense technology company Shield AI to install them on OPVs. Faced with China's aggressive maritime expansion, the MOD is under pressure to strengthen its surveillance and monitoring capabilities in the waters around Japan by introducing OPVs. According to the 2024 Defense White Paper, as of March 31, 2024, Japan has 50 modern destroyers and frigates. In contrast, China has 94, enabling to increase its activities in waters close to Japan.